Fairly clean prints. This is all supports underneath these two pieces. And yeah, you got some stringing, but this thing does all right. It's the Anycubic Neo. Um, it's their first model. I think it was $129. It was on sale when I bought it. But it's doing an excellent job. This print is finished. And the whole purpose of this print is to see if I can take this beefy. It feels like it's 20 pounds to pull this thing apart. See if I can't get a car powered by it. I'd sit right there and one string, and I don't know, you probably get like maybe like 4 winds at the most, for how large I have the hub. And we'll see. I just wanted to show you what the before looks like. That just came off the printer bed. And does a fairly clean job of printing. Oh yeah, pleased with this little printer. Here's it all assembled. There's that big beefy spring in there. And honestly, I thought the spring would go a little bit farther. I thought, perhaps this would be quicker than what it is. But nonetheless, the frame holds up under the tension of that spring. And I swear it's about 20 pounds to really stretch that all the way out. I haven't measured it. String goes around a pulley that's on the inside of this gear. This gear is attached to that gear, that gear is that gear, you get the picture. And can't really tell you how much it's reduced down. I haven't done the math. It's reduced quite a bit, to the point where it's not even really quick, which I kind of didn't have that great of hopes anyways, because the plastic is, I've got a lot of plastic on this thing, so it weighs quite a bit. Then also that spring, that weighs quite a bit. It is what it is. Then that little duck fan car that I made earlier, I decided to make a boat hull for it. So now I have a miniature jet boat with the impeller pointed in the wrong direction. It was meant to be pulling like this, but it still works. I don't know if I'll make a video of it putting around. It works, but like I said. Anyways, you know the drill. Makes some pretty interesting noises as well, this spring. Yeah, you also feel the tension on that string. I'm always afraid it's going to pop in that gap between the gear and the where the pin is. Yeah, not really able to influence it much by pressing my finger on it. Maybe a little bit. So I about got it all the way wound up. So yeah, I didn't know exactly what to expect. I probably ought to try to crunch some figures and, do some math, but I'm too lazy for all that. So this is a byproduct of guesswork. And I guess it works. Either way, just figured I'd make a video of it for y'all. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.